Hi, welcome to our channel Farmer Geeks. Today we are going to tell you about hops benefits when it is used in breweries. Brewers first started using them in the 9th century. Back then, beer was traditionally flavored with different mixtures of spices in addition to flavoring the beer with their unique crispy and piney taste. They also helped prolong the beer's shelf life. But it was not until the 1500s that hops really took off. The 1516 introduction of the German beer purity law prohibited the brewing of beer with any ingredients beside water, hops, barley, and yeast. The law impure beer was to be confiscated. Today, despite our brewing advancements, hops are in short supply because of a dry heat summer in Germany, a drought in Washington state, and an insane increase in global demand in order to get what they need. Most US craft breweries used hop contractors to secure their supplies from farmers. There are many different hop varieties and each one has its own unique flavor and aroma profiles that range from pine to citrus to tropical. Right now, a few of the most popular Pacific Northwest hops include Chinook, Mosaic, and Amarillo. Two of the three great American beer festival, American Style, India Pale Ale winners in 2016 used Chinook and Amarillo hops. The most popular German hops are Hallertau, Polaris, and Magnum. In fact, Hallertau hops are what make German beer so recognizable German. With the demand skyrocketing, many are trying to hop into the hops market and secure the most popular varieties. However, new varieties and advancements are being developed all the time, meaning that what's hip and experimental today might be frowned upon tomorrow. There are 80 types of hops. Categories of hops. Hops can be divided into three categories: aroma hops, bitter hops, and dual purpose hops. Aroma hops have a lower alpha acid percentage and an oil profile associated with good aroma. These hops are generally used as a finishing or conditioning hop. Bitter hops have a higher alpha acid percentage. These hops are generally used in the boiling process to extract bitterness. Dual purpose hops, such as Northern Brewers, have the qualities of both aroma hops and bitter hops and are both aromatic and bittering. Amarillo hops, dual purpose hops. Amarillo hops have a flowery citrus like aroma with medium bittering value that is gaining acceptance as a substitute for Cascade due to its hardy nature. A flowery grapefruit like aroma with medium bittering value that is gaining acceptance as a substitute for Cascade due to its citrus nature. Cascade hops, very successful and well established American aroma hop developed by Oregon State University's breeding program in 1956 from Fugel and Siri Dekanker, a Russian variant, but not released for cultivation until 1972. It has a flowery and spicy citrus-like quality with a slight grapefruit characteristic. One of the three CS along with Centennial and Columbus substitute Centennial and Columbus, but they have a higher alpha acid content. Flowers citrus and spicy with notes of grapefruit create The Wonderful Banquet of Cascade Hops. Brewers number 1 hop. Centennial hops, that is dual purpose hops, American aroma type variety, bred in 1974 and released in September 1990 by St. Kenny and C.E. Zimmerman. The breeders of this variety, similar to Cascade and Chinook, the genetic composition is 3/4 Brewers Gold, 3/32 Fuggle, 1/6 East Kent Golding, 1/32 Bavarian, and 1/16 Unknown. One of the 3 CS along with Cascade and Columbus, Centennial is often referred to as a super cascade since it has strong citrus aroma. Flowers and citrus are the most evident aromas. It has a medium aroma with mid to high bittering value, oftentimes referred to as super cascades. Citra hops, dual purpose hops. Citra brand is a registered trademark used with HPC 394 CV special aroma hop variety developed by the Hop Breeding Company, a joint venture between John I. Haas Inc. and Select Botanicals Group LLC. It was released in 2007. Citra brand hops have fairly high alpha acids and total oil contents with a low percentage of humalon content. Citra brand hops imparts interesting citrus and tropical fruit characters to beer. Citra is a high alpha Lerchier hybrid. This hop imparts interesting citrus and tropical fruit characters to beer. Crystal hops, aroma hops, an American triploid variety developed in 1993 from Lerchier, Cascade, Brewers Gold, and Early Green. It is spicier than Hallertau, cinnamon, black pepper, and nutmeg. Substitutes any Hallertau variety. Mount Hood Liberty, a delicate blend of spices and flowers with a low bittering value. German style Pilsner Lager, Kolsch, ESB, Belgian Alice. Alpha 3.5 to 6.2. In our next video, we are going to tell you other varieties characteristics. Thank you for watching.